Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're exploring the next 13-day Tzolk'in cycle. It begins on July 6, 2026 with Kimi and completes on July 18, 2026 with Etz'nab. This is a 13-day cycle of deep transformation, emotional release, healing, clarity, truth, refinement, and spiritual recalibration. And it begins at a place where something ends, and it concludes at a place where truth becomes undeniable. This is not a gentle cycle, it's a refining one, and it asks what is real, what is illusion, and what can no longer remain hidden. We begin with Kimi, represented by death on July 6th, which is the force of transformation and release. It represents the ending of emotional cycles, outdated identities, and patterns that no longer support growth. Kimi doesn't bring loss, rather it brings completion. This is the moment where something within begins to loosen its grip. As the energy moves through Manix represented by the deer, Lamat represented by the star, Muluk represented by water and Oak being represented by the dog on July 7th through the 10th. The emotional field begins to stabilize, healing becomes active and not theoretical. Love, gratitude, and emotional cleansing also begins restoring balance. What was heavy starts to soften, and what was fragmented starts to reconnect. As we move through Chuan represented by the monkey, Eb represented by the road, and Ben represented by the reed on July 11th through the 13th, expression and direction become clearer, creativity returns, and the life path becomes visible again as personal authority strengthens. This is where confusion begins to lift. When Ix represented by the jaguar, Men represented by the eagle and Kib represented by the vulture or owl, on July 14th through the 16th, what unfolds is that our intuition sharpens, our perspective expands, and ancient wisdom surfaces through experience, dreams, and inner knowing. This is where deeper truth begins to speak quietly, but clearly. Then we head into Kaban represented by the earth and leading into Etz'nab represented by the flint or mirror on July 17th and 18th. This is a time when everything refines itself, as Kaban integrates movement and growth. We then arrive at Etz'nab. The mirror. The blade of truth. The moment of clarity. Etz'nab doesn't add information, it removes distortion. So, by the end of this Trecena, our perception becomes sharper, lighter, and more aligned with truth, because we began in transformation, and we end in clarity. As this cycle unfolds, notice what becomes lighter, clearer, and more honest in your life. Not everything that leaves is loss, not everything revealed is comfortable, but everything shown is purposeful. Because this is a cycle of becoming clear enough to move forward without any illusions. Now here's an affirmation for this Trecena, but first please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to help us grow, thank you. Here's the affirmation. I release what no longer reflects truth. I allow healing to restore my balance. I see clearly what was once hidden, and I walk forward aligned with truth and awareness. Thank you all for your support.